at large. In fact, one wonders who then voted for Mr. Mnangagwa. Because everywhere I've gone, in the rural areas, in the urban areas, in the high-density suburbs, in the low-density suburbs, at churches, all the denominations, I've never met a person who is celebrating. I've never met a person who is possibly saying that they are happy with Mr. Mnangagwa having been declared, because it's not tallying with what the people voted for. So I fully understand your anxieties as a nation around the upcoming court case that we are challenging after the subversion of the will of the people by ZEC in cahoots with some of the rogue elements that are in our midst. I would like to guarantee you that we have a very strong case, and we are going to overturn this electoral fraud. Consistent with what we promised, we are going to defend your vote, our vote, the people's vote, the Zimbabwean vote. What is clear is that what is on trial is not Nelson Chamisa or the MDC Alliance. Trial is democracy. What is on trial is free and fair elections. What is on trial is a credible plebiscite. And this is why we are very happy that we've constituted and configured together an A-team of experienced, tested, and veteran legal experts drawn from the best minds in the region and in the country. These are led by our finest and our best in terms of legal minds. This team has been working tirelessly to protect the people's victory, your victory, within the confines and pressings and parameters of peace. And I'm saying we are very happy with the people of Zimbabwe for being patient, for being peaceful, for heeding to our call of peace, for heeding to our call of calmness, for heeding to our call of making sure that we protect our vote in terms of the law and in terms of the Constitution. You have been provoked. Our leaders have been subject